I want you to imagine this. You are a video editor working long hours every single day, and your income is based on how many videos you can deliver. And then I want you to imagine this. You're a video editor working 2 to 3 hours every single day making videos for clients. And you're also making money selling your online digital products. These products are making you a passive income while you're sleeping. Which one would you choose? In this video, we will go over how you can exactly get started with selling your online digital products and how you can create the passive income stream. I will now spark your creativity and tell you some stuff that you can get started with today. So, you can literally sell whatever you want. It can range from a video editing course to your own editing pack with the assets that you use on a daily basis. You can also sell your own Premiere Pro presets, such as like transitions, glow presets, and movement effects like a slight shake. There's a ton of stuff that you can do. And also something that has recently caught my attention is something called MoGarts. And these MoGarts are very cool, and MoGart stands for Motion Graphic Templates. I want to show you guys a quick snippet from a video of a guy that I just seen, and he explains this very well.
A perfect example of a MoGart happening in documentaries, where when someone is being introduced, a small animation will pop up. They don't recreate the same animation, they use MoGarts so that they can save time.
And what is good with these MoGarts, for example, is that if you want to make an editing course, you're probably going to spend, 30 to 60 days editing, writing a script, and really creating a good course. But with, for example, selling your editing pack or selling MoGarts, these are items that you already can create pretty fast, and it doesn't take that much time. So if you want to go for something that can create you more money, I would definitely go into creating your own video editing course, showing your techniques. And for example, if you have a YouTube channel or a TikTok or something that is getting good views, you will instantly get people that want to know how you can do it. So it's really just about trying to create an audience that wants to learn your techniques. But if you don't have that, that's totally fine. You can also sell your editing packs, and you can sell MoGarts. And what I would say is that you just need to sell something that is highly requested and not a lot of information on. For example, with JATHO, when I started making videos on him, my channel was very small. Not a lot of people have subscribed. But once I started making videos on him, I got a lot of subs, and that is because people didn't really have any information on the editing techniques that DEVIN uses. So then people are coming to your channel and subscribing because you're the only one. So try to find something that nobody has solved yet. Try to fix a problem that nobody has tried. And I would say that the two best platforms to sell your own digital products are Payhip and Gumroad. I personally like Payhip better, but choose whatever you want. I know that I think Gumroad takes a little bit more percentage of each sale, and Payhip is a bit better, but you need to do your own research because they are changing their rates all the time. If you also want to join my exclusive community, just go in the link in the description. It's called Jonus Editing Club. In the Editing Club, you will receive videos on how you can edit like DEVIN, JATHO, how to get clients, and also how to grow your own viral TikTok team page just like I did. So make sure to go in the link in the description. So thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video on how you can start making some passive income with selling digital products. I hope that you find this video useful, so make sure to subscribe and like.